Hello everyone, I'm Kari Padilla and I play Aya sa The Lotto Winner.
In playing Aya, what do you remember the most about her character? Your character in this film?
When I was presented the role, sa pitching pa lang to, nagsushoot kami ng Unravel and
Oh, as far back as...
yes, I think we were gonna ride a train somewhere, pero basta very vivid yung memory sa akin and pinitch lang sa akin na it's about a daughter and a daughter-father relationship. Yun pa lang. Parang gusto ko gawin. Yun pa lang. So I felt like I had a lot I could use personally as an actress para buhayin si Aya. Kasi I understand one very important thing when you're choosing your roles, you have to have empathy for your character. And bonus yung pag naiintindihan mo na siya, hindi mo pa nababasa yung buong script, pero you know what she wants and what she needs, may connection na kaagad. I felt that with Aya very, very much.
And would you say you never had a chance to play this kind of character before?
No. First time kong...
Especially a father-daughter
film. I've played many father-daughter relationships, but this is about forgiveness Something I think a lot of people can or want to relate to forgiving, di ba? Your parents.
So there's a lot of unpacking.
There's a lot. Basta there's a lot na sabi ko nung yun nga, when dumating yung project sa akin, sabi ko, I think it will help me also heal in my personal life. Yun yung mga project na gusto ko na it touches me on a personal level. Kasi that means it will touch them when they watch it also.
So that's my question. Was it hard? Because, Aya in this movie, she's guarded, emotionally controlled, and parang, di ba, she never...
Disconnected.
Yeah. How do you layer or how do you build the character
like
that?
Wala, nag-gets ko na si Aya. It just came Swak. Like that. Oo. Basta naintindihan ko na siya kung saan, ano pinanggagalingan niya. Siyempre may mga adjustment on set, di ba? From direct and everybody else. Pero yung core niya, klaro na sa aming lahat kung sino siya. And for me and as an actress, klaro na rin. So, very easy. It was very... Lahat naman ng movie ko with Mavex, like we're just playing. Parang naglalaro lang kami. Siyempre, seryoso kami sa trabaho namin. But I'm just saying, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like we're creating something we all love and we're just having fun. Ganun.
Yeah. And Aya here is a complex character, no?
Yes.
Alam mo naman in Filipino movies, parang kapag hindi mo mahal yung magulang mo, parang nega ka, di ba? Wow. So parang how was that? How was balancing that she doesn't come off as somebody who's really... parang warm or cuddly, di ba? Pero how did you, work with that?
I think makikita rin sa building nung how the film builds the relationships between Aya and her father. Makikita mo naman kung saan siya nanggaling kung ano pinanggagalingan niya. Same with my dad's character. So yun palang may empathy ka na sa kanya. Kung bakit naging ganun siya.
Yeah.
Oo. And alam mo naman na nanggagaling siya from a place of wala ka nung kailangan kita. So she had to stand up and, earn for herself and build her life on her own. And ang hirap nun para sa daughter. This is medyo, na you feel like you don't have a protector in this life. Kasi tatay yung unang protector mo And si Aya, parang natanggalan siya ng ganun. So she had to face the world with such... Nakakatakot yun. So, kaya naging ganun siya, guarded siya. Kasi syempre, ayaw niya masaktan. Wala siyang protector
Were there moments, though, that in playing this character, that it became too real, too familiar?
Di naman. No. I think that's the magic of where the craft comes in. Na whatever I have, if I do have something na I can give to Aya, then I did. I weaved it into the character, yes. Nakatulong.
So normal ba yun na like in a scene, biglang may magpa-flash sa'yo na parang similar situation?
Hindi na siya nagpa-flash It's body memory na Like, kami dalawa nga ni Sir Albert, chemistry namin kaagad like that. First, look test pa lang, Nag-iiyakan na kami. So, perfect yung casting.
Yeah,
I think we both, nag-swak talaga siya. I'm really grateful for that. I always say na 60-70% of the work is chemistry. 30% na lang yung, you have to act, Pero once you have chemistry, 70% of the work is done.
Parang in the character, there's something you're holding back, but at the same time, the audience can see through.
That's always what I try to emulate when I'm acting, na may sinasabi ako, pero iba yung sinasabi ng mata. That's what I always, lagi kong, when I'm reading the script, okay, ito yung sinasabi niya. Ano yung sinasabi niya behind that? What's her body saying? What are her eyes? What's the twitch saying? Yun lagi yung iniisip ko. Kasi as much as possible, tayong mga tao in real life, we're not acting. We're presenting a version of ourselves na kailangan, may facade. Pero yung totoong tao sa loob, makikita mo din when you observe. And yun yung magic ng cinema.
Yeah.
Ma-observe mo talaga.
Yeah. In this film, Aya's also playing a young mom, single mom.
Yes.
So parang how was this, in creating this character for you, how did you help yourself in the process?
Medyo sad din yung story ni Aya because she's a single mom. And I really feel so much empathy for her. Kasi ang hirap noon, lumipat siya ng ibang bansa. And then, she has no parents. Her mother died. So talagang naiintindihan ko kung bakit she became kind of a hard parent. She's connecting to her daughter. Pero super overprotective din siya. Kasi nga, sa pinagdaanan niya. So I think, ang ganda rin talaga ng kwento na not all of us have that kind of arc where we get to forgive, we get to bond with the person that we might feel, some anger or may mga unsolved na emotional baggage with that person. Pero kaya nga nagustuhan ko yung story na to, it gives her that moment to mend, to forgive. Kahit ang hirap, kasi through the film, you see her struggling talaga na, oh my God, ayoko. Parang pinupush away niya talaga. But then, yung daughter niya yung answer. So, ganun din naman in real life. When you become a parent, ganun. Mas magiging malalim yung understanding mo sa relationships, lalo na sa parents and, ganun. Lasing malalim na pag-iintindi.
Yeah. The character of Aya's marinating in all this like internal anger and all this, diba? Was it hard na the portrayal of this character is very subtle and there's no shouting or screaming or
actually in the confrontation scene, our first take was sumisigaw, very Kylie yun. Medyo malaki.
Yeah.
But then, ganun naman yung working relationship namin. I get a take, Derek gets a take, and then our producers get a take. And ako game naman ako to give all the kind of takes, diba? Pero kasi for me, therapy din yun. I enjoy yung in-experiment ko what I can give with the scene that I have. So, there was a take na medyo sumisigaw si Aya, but I don't think yun yung gagamitin. Ang pinaka-love ko talaga is when they tell me a different kind of attack, mas nuanced. May nadidiscover din ako na in the scene, in the moment. Kasi as an actor, you have a plan. Okay, I want the scene to go here. Ito yung gusto kong atake ko. But may magic doon sa pag may binigay sa'yo na idea and then sasakyan mo lang. Mas mas raw yung emotion. It's more real than what you thought. So, ang daming ganong moments sa movie na to. And I think yun yung sa mga napanood ko yun yung mga ginamit. I'm like, oh my gosh. Hindi na ang galing ko doon yung yung, ang galing. Naiintindihan ko si Aya. Lumabas talaga si Aya. Very raw yung emotion.
And it pushed the story.
It pushed the story. It helped me as an actor. Everything. That's why I love working.
Yeah. I'm curious lang, how was it? Sabi nila mahirap talaga makipag-work with a young actor. Like, how was it working with a very young actress?
Oh no, she's a good actress. And also, very open siya. And I think she's being raised really well. She's confident in herself. So, I'm very lucky. We're very lucky to have worked with Shenna. Kasi, ang galing niya eh. Very professional. Pag take na, talagang andun na siya eh. Pero pag wala,
Did you have like a process with her, like going through the scenes? Some are difficult, emotionally
I know, she knows
difficult.
what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. My process to go with her was to bond with her outside of the, nagda-drawing kami together. More on bond yung binild namin as parents. Pero her process, naroon na siya, buo na siya. Marunong, magaling talaga siya. I'm very lucky to have worked with Shenna.
How was it working in a foreign country?
Not really foreign. I grew up in Australia.
Well, yeah, you're right.
I grew up in Australia 7 years. So parang umuwi lang ako
Umuwi
eh.
ka lang.
Oo.
Yeah, parang home.
Ang saya. Pero nakatulong din kasi we shot in winter. The mood, very cold, di ba? It's blue yung hue ng lugar. So it helped with showing then the coldness of Sir Albert's character and my character. Yung heart ng story is talaga with the 3 characters. So sila naman yung sinusundan. So it's yun talaga yun. May desire yung father to mend the relationship. That's very Pinoy. Like, he still wants to be around his family kahit na ganun yung nangyari. So, that's the yearning for family is a very Pinoy trait talaga.
Yes.
You still want to be with your family kahit anong mangyari. And yun yung sinusundan natin. So, that's the soul of the movie.
Yes. And I guess it's a Filipino story na nagkakawatak-watak, the diaspora, yun talaga.
Mag-reunite din in the end. Very Pinoy. Si Aya, masasabi mo na medyo na-influence na eh. Kasi yung coldness niya, di ba? She's detached. And I'm sure, kung hindi lumapit yung tatay niya sa kanya, hayaan na lang niya na ganun yung relationship nila. That's very, very Pinoy. Pero, yeah, that's what makes it very Pinoy.
Are you a Mavics fan? Like, have you seen?
I'm a Mavics baby.
Okay. So you know what could happen at the end, di ba? It's not always like...
There's a twist.
Yeah. So how did you ready yourself with, that eventuality?
That broke my heart. But that's life. Ganun talaga ang buhay. It's not a happy ending. Sorry. Parang sad. Pero life is not always a happy ending. Pero dun mo rin madidiscover yung sarili mo and magkakaroon ka din ng, you become wise because of life's unpredictability. And in Aya's case, nag-grow siya as a person because of the tragedy that happens.
Yeah. What do you think this film says about forgiveness?
Oh, iyak na ako. This is, when I read the script, yun yung na-feel ko sa movie na to. It's a story about forgiveness. And forgiveness is a very hard thing. Ayoko umiyak mo akong tanga. Wait lang. Oh my God.
Which is what this film is. It shows it's not easy.
It's not easy to forgive. Kasi, well, growing up and your family dynamic is a big influence on who you are as a person, how you see the world. And I feel like ang mga manonood dito, magre-reflect sila sa childhood nila, kung anong nangyari sa kanila, and how they can, in their personal life, also forgive. Ang forgiveness naman, it's not for the person who's asking for it. Forgiveness is for you, para makalaya ka na. So, yun yung gusto kong maramdaman ng mga tao when they watch this film. Kasi yun din yung ginawa niya for me, honestly. Nakalaya din ako in some way because of making this film. It matters to me kasi this is a love letter then for my relationship maybe with my dad. Love letter ko siya. Every time I would do a scene na medyo mahirap, na may doubt ako, I'd say, this is my love letter. Pag napanood to ng tatay ko, I hope he feels some kind of way. Matuwa siya, ganun. So yun, happy ako.
Go ahead. We want to know, like, what kind of conversations do you think this will open up between parents and their adult
Actually,
children?
ang dami na nag-message sa akin na, oh, I miss my dad so much. I'll be thinking of him when I watch this film. Sana it helps heal relationships that need to be healed when they watch this film. Or if ever wala na yung chance na yun, you get the courage to do the forgiving in your heart, kahit on your own lang, because of this film.
Sabi mo, hindi ka iiyak.
Hindi ko alam. I knew I was gonna cry. Trailer pa lang nga, umiyak ako. This film has very big impact on me. But yes, that's why we do this, guys. That's why we make films. So excited for you to watch it. Sana ma-touch din kayo the way I was touched. And you're changed in some way then.